Hey pet parents, if you are looking for a smarter and cleaner drinking solution for your cats, I suggest you to check out the Petgugu PF1 Smart Cat Water Fountain. From AI power alerts to lab tested water purity, this is hydration redefined. Let's begin with the unboxing, and I'm going to tell you something very fun about this box. Inside of the box, you'll find the PF1 Smart Fountain, a wireless water pump, 8-layer filtration cartridge, a power adapter, and a manual. But here is the surprise that you didn't expect. The packaging itself becomes a cat playhouse, so do not throw it away. Each cardboard panel is pre-cut, so just fold and snap into place. In minutes, your cat gets a new play zone and you reduce the waste. It's eco-conscious joy and beyond hydration. Now, right out of the box, my first impressions is it looks fantastic, it looks modern and very sleek. Now, it was built with food-grade ABS, which is safer for kidney-sensitive cats rather than the stainless steel alternatives. The tilted bowl sits at a patented 3-degree angle, and this isn't just for looks, it's lab verified to increase the water intake by 2 to 3 times while keeping your cat's chin dry and the whiskers stress-free. Now the setup is extremely easy. Right out of the box, it probably is going to take you 5 minutes just to put everything together so you can get started. Setting up is very easy. Just fill the tank and insert the filter, power it on, and connect it to the Petgugu app via Wi-Fi. In the app, you'll see a real-time consumption tracking, daily, weekly, or monthly drinking reports, filter live alerts, and low water warning, also visible via LED. Choose between continuous stream mode or eco mode, which is 30 seconds on and a 3-minute pause based on your cat's behavior. The PF1 also includes an auto shut-off protection when the water is running low, also in sleep mode for the pump, which is also going to help you preserve the life of the device for the long run. Now let's talk about some of the great features about the Petgugu PF1 water fountain, because unlike some of the competitors out there, this doesn't just move the water, it definitely turns every sip into a health check. Number 1, it has AI wellness guard, and it flags abnormal drinking patterns using real-time TSD water quality data, and subtle changes like spike in intake or avoidance get logged, giving you early awareness of potential issues like bladder irritation or dehydration. Now, while most mainstream fountains they offer about 3 layers of filtration, the PF1 offers 8. It has activated carbon for odor removal, ion exchange resin to soften the water, ceramic balls to trap the debris, the KDF filtration that removes heavy metals, and plus they has the UV technology for lab tested purification. It's like giving your cat a water bottle every time. Now when it comes to precision sensing and motor longevity, the PF1 is going to be very smart and efficient. With the 50 centimeters of the sensing accuracy rather than the normal 80 centimeters that most competitors have, this can deliver 40% less false alarms, which is going to increase the lifespan of the water pump. And now let me give you an awareness tip and let your cat warm up to it, because when I first got it, my cat was completely ignoring it, even avoided like it was some kind of alien device. Totally normal, new sounds, new design, and even the water movement can throw them off at first. But after a day or two, curiosity kicked in. By the end of the week, she was drinking from it regularly, and now she won't even touch her old bowl. So if your cat seems hesitant at first, do not worry, just give it time, and they'll always come around once they realize it's the good stuff. And now to wrap things up, the PF1 is way more than just a pet fountain. Without a doubt, it is your pet's health and a hydration station. So why stick to kinda smart when you already know that your cat's health deserves way more than half tech? And the Petgugu's PF1 offers safe, clean, and smarter hydration, because your cat deserves great care and you need peace of mind. So if you're a pet parent and you're looking for a smarter drinking solution for your pets, the Petgugu's PF1 is absolutely recommended. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.